in my shoes from last weekend.
Hello, dogs, cow.
Are you dropping me off or am I walking?
I'll drop you off.
Oh, that boy, that would be just kind of you.
Well, here's what's happening, folks. Give us a little rundown, Jansen. Give us a little rundown.
All right, so. So this morning, we're maximizing our efforts and we are dividing and conquering. We are splitting
we're not
up.
gonna kill anything?
I'm going to a property and hunting a roost that we've been seeing this big old tom at for about a week straight.
Biggin'.
And they're going to a property on a roost and they're hunting 2 or 3 big toms that they've been seeing for about a month. Where I'm going, this boy's got like 7 hens to himself, so I'm gonna bring in another big dog and see if that won't fire him up. We're gonna get after it though, or see what happens. Probably nothing good with our luck lately, but we're gonna give it our best shot. All right.
Tennessee. Well, we'll see you out in the woods.
Or won't.
Go out, right? Well, we just got to the spot. We're gonna head out in the field. We have about 10 minutes till shooting light, and we're gonna get set up. But we should be right in some turkey. So, Lou, you got anything to say?
So we're really getting on these birds, man.
Let's
Get
get
called
'em.
in.
There he is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, we're set up here. Me and Lou just climbed in this little group of trees. We got a half-strut Jake decoy and a hen. And these turkeys are just a hill over here. And they are hammering. I think there's 3 different gobblers. Hopefully they fly down and work this way. We get a poke at them. But the sun's just getting ready to peek up. We're gonna shut up and sit still. It sounds like Jake. Boy, it is dark out here still. Jansen said he's getting poured on. Jansen said he's getting poured on. Gotta get it. Yes. 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 Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes, baby. Oh my God. Came in on a string. He wanted that decoy so bad. Oh my God. Oh, yes. I hope you boys get one, baby, because I'm tagged out. Oh my. About 6:50 is when I shot that bird. What a great hunt, man. Can't thank Nick enough for put me on this big bird. It was crazy. All morning long I had tons of hens roosted behind me. I could see them in the trees, and I heard two fly down and they went behind me, and I thought they were gonna pull that tom away, but little did I know there was two more hens that flew down out into the field where I had my 2 decoys set up. Tom full strut posted up with a hen, and about 10 minutes later he came right up along this wood line, and boy, he was looking to fight. So about 20 yards and he got canned. So you know what they call that right there? They call that a tree hanger, baby. Spurs are pretty big. I mean, that's just a beautiful bird. It was raining all morning, so look at that, man. Nice beard. Shoot, buddy. All right, well, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my meat stick, man.
Well, we made it back to the truck. Those gobblers ended up flying down the other way out of here, and Jansen's got one on the ground, so we're gonna go pick him up, check it out. Well, we just got down here. We're going to pick up Jansen, but we drove past another property, and there's one hammering, so we're gonna get out of here and see if we can't put this guy in the dirt.
Yeah, we seen 3 jakes in the field, and I heard a gobble, and it wasn't those birds. We cranked the call out the window, and he hammered again, so.
Let's get him, boy. Give old Jansen a ring.
Yeah. Hey, we just drove past Carver's, and there's 3, jakes out here in the field, but I heard one gobble up in the corner. I squawked out the window with the call, and he hammered again, so we're gonna go.
We'll try to be quick, man.
Yeah.
Yes, it'll be quick.
All right, we gotta go. Yeah, we gotta move.
Let's go, let's go.
That might be the jakes.
They are.
But that was definitely a gobbler.
Oh, no, yeah. Sounds like he's still up in there a good way.
he ended up going the other way, we think, but we're gonna get out of here and see what else we can't find.
Watch this hen take off. You can hear him.
Oh my God. I bet that was insane.
It was, dude. Watch, I got it landing right there.
Oh, there's their strutter. Oh my
boy.
God.
And I had but it just was non-stop.
It's 8:30 right now. We're back with Jansen's bird at the barn, and we're gonna go out again, see if me and you can't strike one up here. Let's go around this. Well, we just got here to another property, and one just hammered up on the hill here, so we're gonna go see if we can't get him. Can you imagine if we call him 3? Oh my God. Let me sneak up here. Look over this hill. Let's go right on this edge and just get up in that corner. Call from there if we can. I think there might be that field that we could look back on is right here. I think they might just be out in this, but where we couldn't see.
Yeah.
There's enough of a lip like right there. We could sneak up there. Hey, we're gonna move up to that knoll. I'm not totally convinced he still wasn't on the other side of the road.
Sounded to me like he was over there. But then again, our windows were up.
Yeah, I had no idea.
Oh, I think I had my window down.
Do you think that's cool?
Yeah, really cool.
That's how they regulate their whole body temperatures through that, all that skin on their head. It's gonna take a little late here. I don't know how. Oh, that is a heavy. Well, that might be.
So, old Nikki here guessed 19 pounds. Lou guessed 21, and I said 22.7.
I don't know how we're gonna do this. Get on that boy. Might be dead.
She's dead, Nick.
Bam.
On the dot. Wow.
What's going on here?
Christ. Come on, man. You turn it on?
Yeah, it's on.
You got film in there?
Yeah.
Some more.
Alright, ready? Well, wasn't it?
Try that front one.
Well, Jan, we got Jansen's bird cleaned up. We got the beard here and a couple spurs. I'm gonna show you if you guys wanna make these sweet little ropes. I'm gonna show you how. This is my Kentucky bird from this year. But all you need is you need a tube of shrink wrap. I bought this off Amazon, and then I don't know the exact name of this, but this is 3mm flat genuine leather lace. So first off, get your beard off, and then get the spurs off. And there's an outer coating on these spurs, real scaly, like I just peel that off. And then one important thing you do before you mount it is you get a little wire here, anything that'll fit in there. So once you cut these bones, once you cut the spurs off, there's still marrow in there. You just take this wire and push it right through there. Oh, I might want to get
Perfect example, man. Right.
So get about Get a nice section of this rope here, this leather. Okay, so we cut that off. I don't know, it's at about a 1-foot long piece there. You can make them shorter, you can make them longer. Just depends on how big you want that loop. And then for the shrink wrap, you really don't need much. Cut off about maybe 3/4 of an inch here. So you got the shrink wrap there. Clean that up a little bit. Boy, that is nice. They turn out so cool, like something to hang on the wall. So thread those spurs on there once you got them cleaned up. Throw your shrink wrap over the beard here. And then get each end of this leather with the spurs already on it and slip it right down the side of both of these. Kind of get it lined up good. You want it right in that shrink wrap. This part's kind of a pain. So you kind of got it where you want. Just go slow with the lighter.
Send it right to it.
I'll usually start out both sides. And once it's shrunken down a good bit, I'll readjust it to right where I want it. We got the sides there. Kind of just pull that up a little bit right where you want it. Get as much of that beard out of there. And then get the rest here. It'll shrink right down on that. Boy, this shrink wrap's something.
It is. It's a neat product.
And then that's your final product right there. Another one for the wall. There you go. This one's a lot longer than that one, but you get the gist. Bam!
Bam, thank you.
Boy, it is crazy how much thicker this Kentucky bird is than that one.
Oh, no. 10-inch beard, man. What?
10-inch beard?
Yeah. What? What's...
Well, that's a wrap on today's video. Jansen got himself a Birdman. Luke tried pretty hard, but... Oh yeah, where's that at? But we're gonna get out tomorrow, get me and Lou, and try to knock down 1 or 2, hopefully.
Oh, yeah. Got a little wet. It's still developing, but it's coming.
What do you mean got a little wet?
Well, it was freaking raining when we were doing it.
Yeah, you almost dropped it in a puddle right there too.
Shake that boy. Oh wow, that's
Boy, that
gonna
is
be
just
sick.
something.
It's still not fully developed, but it's coming.
Yeah.
Well, it's 5:30 right now. April 27th. Me and Lou are getting ready to do a little turkey hunting again, and we're gonna see what can happen here this morning. We're gonna go set up under the roost, put out a couple decoys, big strutter, see if we can't get some birds fly down, and we get one on the ground this morning. Stay tuned. Lucas and I set up in the same field that we hunted the day before, and we got a little closer to the road this time, sitting on a brush pile, and we ended up calling in 2. Hey. Give him one of them real loud squawks.
Don't eat the feathers. Hey, we got our motion on our decoys. Good news, God. Oh, there was a couple of them though. There was. And they just gobbled alone. Unanswered. Right. Straight down the gun, real big gobbler. See it, I see it. I told you, buddy. Don't live, don't. Real slow. I see something swinging.
I think they're all longbeards. I can't tell though.
That front one definitely is. They're all longbeards.
Thought so.
Dude, they're gonna be right in front of us. They're walking right down the wood line, right at us. Let's shoot that first one whenever you get a shot. They're going back. You got him, baby. You got him. Fucking got him. Ooh, that third shot. Yes. I knew I heard a gobble, man. I knew I heard a gobble. Nick was ready to roll. I can't believe you missed that first one.
I know. I don't know how. I wasn't. I don't know. I can't believe you. Look at the hooks on that, John.
Holy.
Yeah, look at that, buddy.
That's the biggest spurred turkey I've ever seen. Oh my God. Look, I don't even, like, that doesn't even feel like that just happened.
Oh my God.
Like, I'm in disbelief.
I know. Oh, that was so fast.
We got over to the truck here, pulled in right down this road, and we called, nothing. We were getting ready to leave, and Lou thought he heard a gobble. Like, well, let's go up here and set up. 3 coming and running. I think those other 2 were longbeards. They didn't have long beards.
They weren't real long, but they were longbeards.
Yeah. Can't stop the flop,
Can't
baby.
stop the flop, baby.
Let's send a video. Boy, old Lou just put a banging down. Look at the spurs on this boy. Hold that up. Oh my God. Yes.
Buddy.
Oh my God.
He come in strutting.
Oh my
come in
God, that was
strutting.
beauty. I knew as soon as he gobbled alone, without us calling, I was like, oh, he's coming.
Yeah.
We had to get work for him, but we got him, boy. About right there.
Oh no, the big tree.
We step it out. I'm gonna say 40 yards.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna say probably 45.
Lou, this is 35 right here. Yeah, 45 yards. Huh? Bring that bird up here in the sun, we'll get some pictures. That happened real fast. Real fast.
What was that? Not even 10 minutes.
Dude, those are some daggers, man. Let's
Yeah,
go.
buddy.
Oh, it's too good. Well, we're gonna get this bird back to the truck and maybe hit up another spot or two, see if I can't get one. Then.
Yeah, we gotta get you on one. Day ain't over. It's still early. It's only 8 o'clock.
Yes, sir. What time is it?
8 o'clock.
8:09.
I find shining right about 8 o'clock.
Yes! That's crazy. Can't stop the flop, baby. Let's check out that view. Boy, that's a good one. Boy, I can't get over these spurs though. They got a nice curve too.
Yeah.
That's gonna be sweet on that lanyard, that little lanyard in there. All right, let's go get another one, boy. Let's go. Same spot as yesterday. We had them ones gobbling. Yep. The difference? No hens.
No hens, right?
No hens. They came up running. Oh boy, 23. 20, about just 23 and a half.
36.
That's a big one.
That was a big bird.
That bird right there is a 24 pounder. And that was a giant.
A big old bird.
Thank you.
Barely on her.
Alright. You got him?
Yeah.
Is it better than yesterday's?
I mean, it's the good.
Same. I mean, it's
yeah.
the old school look, you know, but, you know, they used to take them and shake them, but that's not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to put them in the dark. Oh, yeah, I'm going to do the same.
Oh yeah.